Alright, what's up guys? So some of you may have remembered that we were building a white LS400. You guys may have saw it on my Instagram or in one of those previous videos. But we were planning to give that car away, do some sort of a raffle with it. But something came up with it and we cannot use that car anymore. So we'll get into that later. But we're gonna be parting out that car, selling all the arms and suspension off of it and all the wheels and stuff. So if you guys want any of that, hit me up in the DM. But as of right now, we are headed to San Diego to pick up a replacement car. It's a little different, but it's
I think they'll like it.
You think they'll like it?
I think they'll like it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm with Adry. Shavi's getting some food in the gas station or something.
Yeah, we all approve of this car.
Yeah, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm excited for this one.
Yeah, it's a little bit different than what we are normally used to, but it should be a fun build. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but you guys will see soon. So we're gonna get on the road and see you guys there. Hey, Shavi.
But yeah, this car's straight. It runs nice. Has a blacktop SR20 out of a 180SX. S14 seats. Z32 map. It still has a T28, but it's on 12 PSI, I believe. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty stock. It has a spec stage 4 clutch. And a rebuilt trend within the last like 4 or so years. Yeah. But the interior's not perfect. I mean, the car itself's not perfect, but you know, S chassis these days, you can't really. It's hard to find a clean one. And then I have the fan shroud in the trunk.
And this motor came with the car, or you put it in?
This came with the car, yeah. Yep. It's a black top, so it's the second gen version of the SR20. The first gen was the red top. I believe they made some changes to the black top and the head. And then I did a couple things, like I replaced the crank pulley, did the power steering pulley, put new belts on it, so it's pretty good.
All new fluids.
Yeah, it has new fluids. It's a 1990.
Oh
yeah.
Shit.
1990.
Nice.
So you said you're Taylor?
Yeah.
Did you used to drive the LS?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I know of you. Typical 240 fashion, the hatch struts don't stay like open, so I gotta hold the hatch here. And most of the interior is there. It's just missing like the rear back portion of the back seats. So it has like a dash cover. This is the fan shroud, and then all the mud flaps, and then the battery was relocated to the back. And then it obviously had a strut bar at one point, but someone took it out.
What? Is it on any suspension?
Yeah, I'm honestly unsure of the suspension.
Oh.
But some coilover. Yeah, some coilover. Yeah, I don't believe it's has dampening adjustment. I think it's just like the height adjustment with the spring. Yeah, so it's nothing like too crazy. But I can start it up for you guys if you want. The S14 seats are super comfy. Oh shit. Did I forget the keys at my fucking house? No way. Ooh. I think I did. God damn it. Wow.
Well, that's cool. We'll go get drinks and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. But it starts up fine. It idles fine. Motor doesn't make any weird noises. If I was planning on keeping it, I was just gonna throw a kit on it, do some over fenders, and then probably make it a drift car. So
yeah, he just wants us to start, you know, learning to drift. And
this is a perfect car. It still has an open diff, so it was never like
nice.
drifted. Yeah. So someone just essentially put the engine in, and that's it. They didn't really do anything like cosmetically or even really suspension wise. I mean, they put some XXRs on here, but
Those spider butthole wheels.
Yeah. These fenders have seen better days, but yeah, all in all, it's not like a too bad car. Yeah, even now, like, I don't know if you've been paying attention to like 240 prices or even like SR swaps, but I was looking online and they go for about like 6,500 now, which is crazy, but that's like the going rate for them.
Yeah, I saw some crazy prices too.
Like people are selling full swaps for 6,500. I have some like weird bracketry and stuff like that. 550cc injectors, still stock turbo. Just has the boost turned up a little bit. It's on like an old Blitz tuned ECU. Yeah, and then when I bought it, the guy had the blow-off valve unplugged and capped.
Yeah.
So it was just
Yeah.
yeah, he was like, oh, it makes cool noises, so that's why I did that. So I was like, no. So I put the blow-off valve vacuum line back on, yeah. And it has an 80M wideband, water temp, oil pressure gauge, and I forget the last one, boost gauge.
It's still clean title.
Yeah, it's still a clean title. The strut towers aren't like pushed back or anything. Like I've checked through all that.
And these motors come out only from like JDM cars, right?
Yeah, the 180SX.
Because all USD in Canada came with K.
Yeah, truck motor. Shitty truck motor. At some point in time, this was imported and then swapped over, and then I think it's on the stock harness. It's just rewired for this chassis for the 240. It has like a carbon gauge cluster, carbon shift knob, still a stock steering wheel. So it's like a perfect like blank canvas for you to essentially do whatever you want cosmetically. Yeah. Like the engine's already there. Like
Yeah, that's all we cared about.
yeah.
What do you think?
Not bad.
Headlights work.
Yeah.
Pop up.
Yeah, the clutch is insane.
Is it stiff? Like
Yeah?
It's stiff.
stage 4, you said.
It's a stage 4 spec clutch.
Stiff?
Yeah, it's super smooth. Yeah, I was surprised with the S14 seats because they're so comfy. They feel like a couch.
Yeah, it does.
And I'm pretty sure, because those are in good condition, I'm pretty sure those are going for like $500 now.
Wow.
Yeah, just the seats.
You are in good condition.
Yeah, there's no like tears or dents or anything.
Still
Just
kinda has
needs-
the color to it too.
Yeah, it just needs like the seat bolt. Because when you press on the clutch, you like go back a little bit.
Yeah. So transmission is stock.
Yeah, it's stock but rebuilt.
Oh, okay.
That's my understanding. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And it has the spec clutch stage 4 or spec stage 4 clutch, but it's kind of gnarly. Like, it's kind of like you're either engaged or you're not. Like type shit. Yeah.
Okay.
But you'll get used to it.
See, that gauge is getting some power.
Get an ECU for the known mods that it has. So 550cc injectors, and it has the Z32 MAF because the bigger MAF, so it doesn't like break up or anything when you throw more boost at it. Yeah, this was like for like an engine damper, and then it like kind of holds the engine, but more of cosmetic. And then I don't know why someone took the strut bar off, but
Front and rear.
yeah, front and rear. But yeah, cool. That's it. So, I mean, I could run by my house real quick and come back.
Yeah.
And can't believe I forgot the fucking keys. I feel like a dumbass. I was
All
like,
good.
title, paperwork, no keys.
important thing.
Didn't even realize it until I showed up. So, try it.
Nope.
Okay.
Oh. The boost is. I'll back it out. Okay. I'll take it down the street, then you can drive it. Actually, I don't even need to go with.
I'll go with them.
latch button.
Right here. It's on the side.
Yo, Taylor, how's the clutch?
Fucking, it's stiff. Stiff as fuck.
Stage 4.
I hope I don't stall it out there, because then
We're done.
Just give us a ring.
Alright, try it out.
No, nice.
oh, this car's not low.
No, it's.
I'm not even in gear.
We're not drifting yet, fool.
Yeah, this clutch is super stiff, and the alignment is shitty.
Oh, bad?
It's pretty good.
These noises are crazy.
Alright. Yep, this falls outward.
It kind of gets up and goes, but you feel.
I wouldn't go with the KP.
240 build.
What do you think we should do? What size
Yeah, they make
wheels?
the BN.
Alright, so this is Lucille. This was supposed to be our giveaway car. We had a full BN kit. Has all the arms. Pretty much we changed the whole interior to black because it was tan. But we found out that it has rod knock now, so we can't give you guys a car that is messed up or anything, so we are gonna part it out, so everything that you see is for sale. So that's why we picked up the other car to replace it with that one. So we're gonna make this one a drift build, and hopefully you guys like that one better, because I don't know, we can't do anything with this one anymore. So thanks, Nemo. I'm just kidding. Alright, so it has Serial 9 front uppers, shortened spindles, NRCAs. There's it's on full airlift, battle version rear arms, all rear arms. The kit, rear bumper's not on, but so if you guys want any of that, DM me, and yeah, we're getting rid of it. So wheels too. It looks so good though.
Yeah. The white silver too,
Looks good.
Yeah. I wish we could give it to you guys, but yeah,
onto the drift build.
we can't give away a broken car.
Am I wrong for thinking out the box from where I stay? Am I wrong for saying that I choose another way?
I'm the lighting guy, dog.
Everybody else doing, just cause everybody doing what they all do. If one thing I know,
What'd you do?
lighting guy. So am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Now am I wrong for trying to reach the things that I can't see? That's just
What's up, guys? So it's been a couple days since we got the car. You know we had to get rid of those ugly XXR wheels. So we found some stock wheels, and it was on coilovers, so we lowered it as much as we could. I think it looks pretty good, but we don't really know which direction we're gonna go with this car yet. So if you guys have any recommendations or any styles you guys want to see, let us know in the comments. We have a few parts for the car already, some like arms and suspension stuff. So stay tuned for the next few videos. We're gonna be installing those. As for the LS, all the parts are already sold. I posted it up on my story and it was sold in one day. So I'm sorry about that. This video, we're also gonna be doing a giveaway. We want you guys to be wearing Karuma and take a picture next to your car and hashtag Karuma Limited and tag us in the photo. So we're gonna be choosing 5 people and we're gonna give them some of the new merch. So good luck.
Karuma!